can use anything to kind of like decorate it, or put even in it. You can put like chocolate chips, or if you were really crazy, sprinkles. Or when you decorate it, you can use icing. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to say that. You can use icing, and you can decorate it with like different sprinkles. Yeah, or you can even put chocolate chips on it, and if it's still that hot, you can melt the chocolate chips. Okay, so now we can put like icing on it. So I'll show you once we've decorated them.
Wee!
These are amazing cupcakes. That was very loud. Cake too. Okay, so basically now, the other one has got chocolate with some sprinkles and icing. I got normal with sprinkles, icing, and chocolate.